Hi guys, welcome back to Just Gardens. In this video I've got this privet edge to cut here. There's the front of it there. Tidy all that up off the wall. It's a bit overgrown. The birds have all finished nesting, so it's time now for a quick trim. The elderly lady here was quoted ridiculous amounts of money to cut this privet edge, in my opinion. So we've done a good quote, and she was happy with it, so we're doing it. Let me know in the comments, how much would you pay, be willing to pay for a job like this, and how much do you think we charge? Let me know in the comments. It's a nice day. I've got my new pants on and I'm cutting a privet edge, so the day is going well. So I'll face it off first, as you can see me doing, and then I taper the tops down, get all the growth off, and then later on in the video you'll see me use the long pole to take the top down. So here I'm just giving it a quick rough cut to get all the heavy foliage off the top, and then the long pole then will come out to square it all off and trim it tightly. That will ensure no loose bits left on the top of the hedge at the end, because I can't stand hedges with loads of loose left on the tops of the hedge. It just doesn't look professional, in my opinion. So here's the rough cut for now, most of the brash off, and then I'll tighten it all up. I've used the shears to go around the wall to get a nice, clean, tidy finish on that. And now it's time for the fun bit, tidying up. We threw in a quick mowing string. It just finishes off the hedge really. Gives it all nice definition. Tidies it all up. So here's the end result, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, consider subscribing, hit the like button. I'd love to get a video to 100 likes. I'm yet to do so, so if you could help me out with that, much appreciated. Also remember, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you on them. Have a great day and I'll see you on the next one.